The last part of the RCM process, before we can start looking at selecting a task, is to determine the consequence of the failure, or how much it matters. If it matters too much, well, we need to select a task to reduce it. So in this video, we'll take a look at what the term failure consequence includes, all in just 2 minutes. According to the standard I've mentioned a few times now, RCM standard SAE JA 1011, there are 2 requirements to categorize failure consequences. The first one separates evident failures from hidden failures. Now, this is another whole topic in itself, so I'll need to talk about this in more detail next time. But for the evident failure modes, we need to categorize these failure modes and multiple failures that have safety and environmental consequences from those that have money-based or economical, both operation and non-operational consequences. So that's a lot of different terms to talk about. So here's some examples to clear it up a little bit. As one of the other RCM standards, SAE JA 1012 talks about, for safety and environmental, is there an intolerable probability that the failure could injure or kill someone? So that's clearly a safety consequence. Or environmental, is there a breach of an environmental standard? For the economic category, operational might include production or operation costs, say £100,000. For non-operational, it's still about the money, but it doesn't affect safety or production. There's just a cost to repair of, say, £10,000. Once we identify these effects and consequences, we can now move on to deciding if a task is needed, and if so, is it even possible and worth doing? To find out more about the detailed versions of these consequences and all of the other parts of the RCM process, it'd be great if you could click on the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.